It's not a big scary Stomper. It's a gigantic scary Stomper.
A Stomper that gigantic would keep our dino disc forever! He'd like it so much. He'd take all our toys.
We'll never play again.
I don't think there's a gigantic, scary Stomper in there at all. But what could it be?